Esa es la mija de la calle. Okay, this is how we kind of like treat stray animals here. Like kind of like how we treat stray people here. Es mi gatita de la calle. Es mi amiga Tita. Bueno. When she first showed up at my house, she was like super thin. She was young. When she just showed up, now she like if you look at her neck, it's like real thick. So she's like doing a lot better than she was. There's other people in the neighborhood that feed her, stuff like that. But she's so cariñosa. Ella está muy cariñosa. Yeah, she's very friendly. But she's a street cat. She's just a cat on the street that I made friends with. And that's kind of how it happens in Mexico. We make friends. We make friends wherever we can, don't we?